going to function correctly. And sure enough, Vin found an engineering problem that could really affect the moves by hand. Okay. For some reason, the tubes on the front end were binding.
My iPod's really messed up.
And even though we tried to loosen everything up, we still couldn't get any movement out of the shot.
Ooh.
Which basically meant the front end had no suspension. I think somehow it was engineered originally wrong.
Looks like I have a great light inside of my hand.
You see, Jack?
Oh,
Open your mouth. Foiled again.
oh, that's cool right there.
Rick on the phone with the manufacturer.
Can't even see the side of the TV.
He said, yeah, that was one of the earlier models. We gotta make it some kind of bush instead of go anywhere.
Anywhere in here?
It's not dark outside either.
That was an earlier model.
That's what he said. This is one of the earlier models.
Yeah, did you get any earlier model?
That's supposed to be blue with the gold with gold writing. Instead, it's gold with blue writing. That's supposed to be green on black. That's supposed to be green on black. Let's go outside. Apparently, it's dark outside. That's supposed to be black and white, but it's black and white in opposite spots. No idea what happened to it. Oh, this Jake. My dog's supposed to be brown. He's gold. That's my fucked up iPod.